Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're revisiting a classic topic and showing you some new pops. The question is, why do you love pimples, zits, cysts, and acne? What causes you to watch these fun pimple popping videos? Some people think it's the suspense of waiting to see what comes out.
Oh, yeah!
Nice. Others think it's just a morbid curiosity. We like seeing bizarre and unusual things. Do people like watching for educational reasons? On this channel, we do our best to educate the audience about what they're seeing. Adam from All Star Medical pointed out that grooming like this is innate. Even chimps constantly groom each other. It makes sense that we would do it too. People have been doing it for thousands of years. Do you get a thrill out of it, like you would from watching a horror movie? Does it give you an adrenaline rush? I'd love to hear your comments and opinions. So please let us know why people watch these videos. And we love to hear your comments, and we'll try to reply to as many as we can. Here's a few more pops. Enjoy. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.